Hey guys, it's Angela from CKC4. Welcome back to my channel and watch me spruce up this niche. So I'm going to clear this out first of all in very fast motion and read all of the manufacturer's instructions and follow them, of course. And then I'm going to measure and measure and cut and measure and measure. And then I'm gonna draw a level line. This is my starting line and it's very important. My adhesive, that is my glue there because my wallpaper didn't come with the sticky back. I'm gonna go and roll that adhesive on the back of the wallpaper, fold it in half, and let it sit for just a few moments. This process is called booking. Go ahead and clean my areas so that I can apply the wallpaper. And I wanna start on that level line that I drew. And make sure it's lined up. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And with my handy dandy wallpaper smoothing tool, as you can see there, I'm gonna smooth out any air bubbles that I see in the wallpaper. Now they do sell a true tool to do this at Home Depot, but any rigid piece of cardboard will work. And then I'm gonna make sure I check the line again, make sure it's level. And look, here's my last piece. Now when lining up your wallpaper, lining it up with the pattern is very important. And you should probably cut with the pattern. And you'll see why later. So take a utility knife and go ahead and trim off that excess paper along the edges. Should be pretty simple to cut. Yeah, so this is why you should always measure your paper with the next to the pattern, because as you can see, I cut mine just a bit too short, but that's okay. I'm gonna fix it here in a bit by cutting out that same pattern and those pieces from a spare piece of wallpaper. So I kind of mark where the pattern is starting and stopping, and that's where I'm gonna cut. And there you have it. Go ahead and add some glue to that piece. Yep, I'm adding that glue, and I'm gonna book it again and put it right in place and line it up as perfect as possible. Line it up so good till you're like, what mistake? And I think I'm just about there. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing for the top, as you can see there, and flawless. this is the final outcome, and I love my niche. It adds so much character, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So until next time, take care, guys. I'm about to zoom up here for just a bit. Girl, you cute. Okay, so why do I always have to start with okay, so?